In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Photoshop Firefly AI. So, the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in Adobe Firefly. And why is that? It's because Adobe Firefly is an online tool that lets you create AI images and edit images with AI. Now, this used to be in Photoshop and still is in Photoshop in case you have the premium version of Photoshop, so the subscription bot. But if you don't have it, you can use their free generative AI on their website, okay? So what you want to do is simply go to the website, which is, as you can see over here, Adobe Firefly Free Generative AI for Creatives, and you press it. And then once you are on your website, as you can see over here, you want to scroll down and you can read all about Adobe Firefly. As you can see there, it says a bunch of things, okay, and you can read all about it if you want to. And then what you want to do is go to sign in up here on the right. And when you press this, you will have to continue with either Google, Facebook, or Apple ID, or you can of course create an account with only your email. I have a Google account already, so I'm going to log in with this right now in a second over here, as you can see. There we go. I'm now logged in, and just in a second, you will see how the website looks like and what it does. So once this loads up, it usually takes a bit to load because, well, it's a website after all. And then there we go. As you can see in here, there's a bunch of things you can do, okay? So once you're logged in, what you want to do is go down here to where it says Adobe Firefly Generate AI-powered content. And you can choose whatever you want. So there's two things you can do. You can do text to image. So if I open this in a new tab over here, I'm going to show you how this one works. As you can see, all you have to do, you can simply type in what you want and it's going to generate an AI image for you. So let's say what I want to see is a tiger on top of a hill on a sunny afternoon. There we go. I'm gonna press generate and we're gonna wait a bit for this to generate, okay? If that's okay over here, there we go. And meanwhile, I'm going to show you how to use the generative fill. So you can click this generative fill over here and open it in a new tab as well, or just simply click on it. And in here is where the magic happens, okay? That's why probably most of you are looking for this. And just in a second, as you can see, this image of a tiger has generated, and I'm going to download it so I can showcase you the things further on, okay? So what you want to do is press download, and as you can see, it just downloaded for me. And I'm going to go in here to the generative fill, and I'm going to put in the image we just downloaded. So I'm going to put it in here, and as you can see, it's now in. What you can do using Adobe Firefly is insert, remove, or expand whatever you can see over here on your screen, okay? So what we're going to do is add something. So let's say I want to add some birds, okay? And I'm going to select this area over here. Let's type in birds in the background, okay? And then as you can see, it says add, subtract, and you can select background, invert, etc. And I'm going to press add over here and click generate. And this is going to take a bit of time, and then it's going to generate us those birds in the background I just told it to, okay? And by the way, if you want to manage your account inside Adobe Firefly, you can click up here and you can see all about it. What's also important is that you only have 25 credits per month that you can use, so 25 generations, and you can use those for whatever, but then you have to purchase a premium subscription. But those 25 credits are free and you get them each and every month. So as you can now see, we got the birds that we put in the background, and you can even change it down here so we can choose which ones you like the most. In my case, the first one, but if you don't like any of these, you want to click more, and it's going to generate more images of a similar type that you just typed in. And then once you're happy, you can simply press keep, and there we go. You've simply kept it, okay? And then if you want to select the background, you can click this, and the AI will automatically select the background. As you can see, it cut out the tiger pretty well, okay? But I'm not going to play with this anymore, okay? I'm going to reset it, there we go. And then you can also remove things from this image, okay? So I pressed remove over here, and let's say I want to remove this rock, okay? Simply color over it, okay? And then you want to press remove over here, which is going to remove the stone we've just seen on the ground, okay? And in any second now, it's going to remove it. And that's the second way you can use this Adobe Firefly which is actually very cool. So if you have, for example, an image where there's you and the image and a few other people, and you want to remove those people from the background, this can work very well. Now, as you can see, I've just removed this, and if I check different instances, all of them look very, very good. And let's say I want to keep this one, that's the first one, you want to press keep, there we go, the rock has been removed. And then the second thing you can do is expand, and this will allow you to kind of expand the image and make the AI generate whatever it thinks would be best in expanding it. So if I go to the right a little and to the left, let's see what it does. So I just expanded it, and I'm going to press generate, and it's going to generate what we just selected. So it's going to generate the background and kind of extend it to where it fits with the image, okay? Now, as you can see, it did the job already, and it did a wonderful job actually, okay? As you can see, this is pretty much perfect, and you can select which one you like the most. Let's say for me, it's going to be this first one over here. Press keep again. There we go, that's it. And this pan icon over here, when you click on it, you can simply move around the image, and that's literally what it does. There's nothing more to it. And now, once that's done, you can download the image by pressing download up here. But you have to note that whenever you download some content, it's going to always show you this Adobe Firefly logo down below, okay? Because they're trying to kind of mark up the images that this AI made, okay? So it's distinguishable between real imagery and AI imagery. So as you can see, there's two logos because I expanded, but if you wouldn't have expanded, there would only be one logo at the bottom left. So that's how you use Adobe Photoshop Firefly AI, and I hope this video helped you out.